Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm going to talk about camouflage. It's quite important to have it on your lens. First of all, it will help cushion your lens from the cold and the elements, as well as help protect your lens and keep it in good order. So at some point if you want to sell your lens, you'll be able to take it off and it should be in reasonably good condition, because obviously these Sigma lenses aren't as hard wearing as the Canon ones. So you do need to get some camouflage protection on there, and these neoprene protection things you can put on do protect your lens and let it blend into your environment as well, when you're out in, you know, the woods and the forests, obviously. So first of all I want to talk about my Canon 100-400 Mark II that we've got here. I've done a camo installation on that particular lens. Now, I got that from a company called, I think it was wildlifesupplies.co.uk, but since then they've decided to discontinue and stop making these neoprene coverings for the lens for some bizarre reason. No idea why, because I think it's gonna hurt the business in the long run by stop doing that. But I had to look for an alternative, and there was other alternatives. There was I think there's outdoorphotography.co.uk. Seemed quite expensive, as well as Lens Coat. That's another one that was quite expensive as well. So I decided to settle on a company called lenscamo.co.uk. Sent me a leaflet here with an instruction diagram to tell us how to put it on, which is a good thing because that's what the other company didn't send us. It seems to be reasonably well made, and the cutouts do look to be pretty well done actually, so I've got no concern there. So we're going to put this on the Sigma Contemporary lens that we've got here. The aim is to just give it an extra layer of protection on there. You know, I've already got the WR filter protector, and we've obviously got a lens hood for this as well. And all these various elements here should protect the lens quite significantly. There's also a Velcro attachment to go around the lens when it's extended and zoomed. I don't see how practical that really is, but as you can see, you can put it round the lens like that and it will let it blend into your surroundings. You might be asking, why do you need to use these neoprene coverings on your lens? Well, you don't really need to. But it's a good idea, because if you do not knock your lens against some branches, at least you've got a little bit of padding on there to protect your lens. And it also helps you to blend in. Let's say if you're using a hide, or you've got some camouflage on, like I've got on this t-shirt that I've got here. It does help to blend in your equipment with your surroundings. And when you're doing wildlife in the field, you want to blend into your surroundings as much as possible anyway. So without further ado, let's try and put this on and see how we do that. And then, you know, end of the day, I just hope this video helps you out. So in terms of cost, I think this whole package here for the Sigma Contemporary lens, even with the lens hood, was about £30, so not too bad. They've got a website, lenscamo.co.uk. That's the leaflet there. I'll put a link in the description box if you just want to go and find it there. And also you can search them out on eBay and get them off eBay as well. And this came pretty quickly, if I'm honest with you. I think I ordered it, I think it was Friday, and it came today, Monday, so not too bad. So without further ado, let's do the installation video, and then you know, thanks for watching. I hope these videos helped you out. You know, I'm not sponsored by lenscamo.co.uk at all, but I just wanted to, you know, help them out, you know, since the product does seem pretty good. Okay, see you later and have a nice day. Okay, so we've just put the lens cut on from lenscamo.co.uk. It seems quite tight fitting, and you obviously got a section there for all your switches, and it seems to be quite well measured, and it does go on there quite well. The only thing that I seem to be disappointed with is this Velcro cover for the actual zooming ring. It does seem to be too big, if I'm honest with you. If I just do that, it's too big. If I put it on properly, you see that? That's not very good, that. I do have, so I do have this one from wildlifesupplies.co.uk from an older kit, which might fit better. So just take that off, put this back on. See if that fits any better. And there you go, it does seem to fit a bit better. It is disappointing, the Velcro bit for the Sigma 150 to 600 Contemporary. It does seem to be really loose. I don't think that's really acceptable. But that set aside, it does seem to do a good fit regarding the rest of the lens. So I hope you found this informative and interesting. Obviously there's a little cut out section there for the various switches. So let's move on and have a look at the RF 800, because I've got a kit for that, for this lens here. So let's see how that goes on.